Good morning to everyone Manga Kalasa. For today's video, we will do the usual daily routine for now. As you can see, our engineer is still on top of the ongoing second floor. He will be instructing what our workers gonna do, and some of our workers will be installing GI pipe, placing a fixed clamp and swivel clamp to fix all bracing of the scaffolding pipe to, and to have strength and all support from any wick areas or platform. Then we're gonna assure to you Manga Kalasa that all our material to be used are 100% standard like the GI pipe grade 40. We use 20mm steel bar grade 60 as main bar, 0.16mm steel bar grade 40 as secondary, and for stirrups, we will use 10mm steel bar grade 40. Manga Kalasa today is our 63 days with progress development of the construction project. On this area Manga Kalasa our workers will do CHB laying for frontage stair step for the entry and then ramp access for PWD person. Please watch until the end of my video for today, and I will updating you for more videos on our projects. Thank you so much Manga Kalasa. Don't forget to follow, like, share and subscribe. Then Manga Kalasa, as you can see our construction development for the formwork of beam area, almost 25% of sidings installation, and at the runner support for second floor beam, I think it's around 30% in progress since from the start of installation of the formworks.
Mr. Sergs _Kalasa TV.